Mechanical pocket watch, Tavannes Watch Company. Made in Switzerland. Rare vintage, mechanical, Tavannes Watch Co. Pocket watch with mechanical movement. This pocket watch was produced by Tavannes Watch Co., presumably in the first half of the 20th century, probably between the 1910s and 1930s. This pocket watch is a classic model with a white enamel dial and black-colored Arabic numerals. The dial also features a small seconds dial, minute divisions and small seconds at 6 o'clock. The hands of hours, minutes, and seconds are made of blued steel and are blue in color. The brand name, Tavannes Watch Co., is stamped on the dial below the 12 o'clock mark. The case of the watch is probably made of nickel or chromed steel, has a smooth, polished surface, and a round shape. The crown is located at 12 o'clock, and the chain lug is directly above it. Excellent original working condition, with minor signs of use. The Tavannes Watch Company brand is a Swiss brand. The company was founded in 1891 in the Swiss town of Tavannes by Henri Frederick Sandoz. At the beginning of the 20th century, Tavannes Watch Company was one of the largest watch manufacturers in Switzerland and had a wide international reputation. To buy a Longines watch, visit the website watchlegend.com.